Welcome to Course 4, Foundation, Certified Supply Chain Professional, CSCP, course, by SPAO Academy. Topic 4, Internal Operations and Inventory, Section 1, Planning Operations, Lesson 1, Introduction to Operations Planning. Introduction to Operations Planning. Welcome to the world of operations. If a business is like a human body, operations is the heart that pumps value to the customer. But a heart doesn't beat randomly, it follows a rhythm. Operations planning is the process of setting that rhythm. What is operations planning? At its simplest, operations planning is the process of deciding what needs to be done, how much of it needs to be done, when it needs to be done, and who is going to do it. It acts as the bridge between high-level business goals, like, we want to grow by 20% this year, and the actual daily work on the floor, like, John needs to assemble 50 units today. There are two main timeframes for operations planning. Strategic planning, long-term, usually covers 1 to 5 years. This involves decisions about where to build a factory, what kind of machinery to buy, or whether to hire 100 new employees. Tactical planning, short-term, usually covers days, weeks, or months. This is about scheduling shifts, ordering raw materials for next week, and managing day-to-day workflow. The core goal, balance. The primary goal of operations planning is to find a balance between two competing forces: supply, what the business is capable of producing, labor, machinery, materials; demand, what the customer wants to buy. If you plan poorly, you end up with two negative scenarios: excess capacity, you have too many workers and too much inventory sitting around. This wastes money, high costs. Insufficient capacity, you have too few workers and not enough inventory. You lose sales, upset customers, lost revenue, and cause worker burnout from overworking. Key components of operations planning. To build a solid operations plan, managers look at 4 key areas: forecasting, predicting future sales. You can't plan what to make if you don't know how many people will likely buy it. Forecasts use historical data, market trends, and gut instinct. Capacity planning. Determining how much work your system can handle. Do you have enough machines? Enough staff? Enough warehouse space? Scheduling. Assigning specific time frames to tasks. This includes shift schedules for employees and production timelines for products. Inventory management. Deciding how much raw material to keep on hand and how much finished product to store. You want enough to meet demand, but not so much that it costs a fortune to store. Why it matters for beginners. For a beginner, understanding operations planning is crucial because it explains why things happen in a business. If a store runs out of your favorite product, it's not necessarily because the store is bad, it's likely because the operations planning, the forecast, underestimated demand. When done well, operations planning leads to efficiency, less wasted time and materials. Consistency. Customers know they can rely on you to have the product ready when promised. Lower costs. By avoiding last-minute, emergency purchases or overtime pay. Key takeaways. Operations planning is the roadmap that connects business goals to daily tasks. It balances supply, what you can make, with demand, what customers want. It involves forecasting, capacity, scheduling, and inventory. The ultimate goal is to meet customer needs at the lowest possible cost. In the next lesson, we will dive deeper into forecasting methods, specifically, how businesses predict the future without a crystal ball. I really appreciate you spending your time with me today. If you want to learn more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your like means the world to us and helps this channel grow so we can continue bringing you great content. Thanks again, and see you on the next video.